red, rich jewels of winter is what this design is all about. It's informal, it is about fall, it is about winter, and it's a design that once you get started will take you through to the holidays and to Christmas. Seriously simple, easy designing. Now I've got this old crock that's been around in our house for 101 years. I think my son may have broken the lid, but it's still a perfect container in which to work with. Now everything I'm using are available from Prestige Botanicals, and it's all part of their new range and new collection, and they're just fabulous. So the first thing I'm going to put into here is the lovely hydrangea, and I've got 3 pieces of those, and when I'm putting them into the container I'm crisscrossing them. If you felt that they were a little bit too tall, what you can do is you can bend those, and I've been saying of late that be very careful when you cut, because once you cut you can never go back. So I'll just have one a little bit taller and 2 a little bit shorter. With those I'm going to bring in some of the Magnolia. I absolutely love the Magnolia. It is beautiful. So that I'm just going to turn up just a little bit, and I'm going to put a piece in there, bending over this one, bringing that over to there, and then this I'll just make ever so small, a little bit smaller, and I'll put that into there. So now we have this wonderful foundation on which to put our other forms. The Magnolia, this Magnolia I want to climb into. It is so gorgeous. Look at the size of that, and it just sings loud, proud, here I am, it's Christmas, and those beautiful colours that come with the fall and into the winter. Now I've bent that over again because I don't want to cut it, so that can go into there, and I've got 3 of these. So one can go over to there, one can go over to there, and they do come with labels, so please take the labels off. It's a beautiful label, but actually it's only a marker, and then we'll just open that out just a little bit. But how beautiful is that? That is what I call a beautiful flower or a beautiful bloom. So with that, I'm just going to bend that up as well, and I've got one there, and I'm just going to bring this one up a little bit higher here, like so, and then I've got, so it's almost like when you look at this, your eye sort of like goes around in a wee swirl. I've got these, look at that. Oh, there's something nice about a peony. So I'm going to put that in and over to there. I'm going to bring that one into there, and then this one I'll bring into there. And the leaves, because we've got that beautiful base, what's really lovely now is that you've somewhere for the flowers to rest on. Now, jewels, I said rich ruby jewels. I love this coloured peony, and it's, you wouldn't normally put those colours, but I'm loving there's something nice about the jewelly colours of winter, and you can just give your whole house a lovely big boost. Now with those, I'm also going to bring now in a couple of gum pods, put those into there, and I'll bring this one down and over to that side there, so that's just a little bit lower. And then I've got a couple of these lovely pine cones, and I think you can get these at Michael's or somewhere like that. I saw them when we were in the States last year. In fact, that's where it came from. So I put that into there, and then I'm going to bring the other one and put that into there. And for now, that is going to be just beautiful as a little pop of colour in my environment. I'll come back to this design and I'll show you how to take it into Christmas. Thanks for watching.